Это Убуд, место называется Харам.
Nice one. Straight, straight. Your leg.
Terima kasih. Первые, вторые этажи. Чтобы туда попасть, нужно уже заплатить 100 тысяч индийских рублей. А чтобы попасть, где мы были в кафе, нужно 50. Sorry. Окей. Там нет выхода. О, хорошо. Здесь подувает ветер. Здесь светит солнце. Такая небольшой тенек. В общем, здесь есть животные, которые едят кофе. Потом они начинают какать, и эти какашки обрабатывают, и получается кофе. Похоже на большую кошечку. А где я не вижу никого? А вот.
Yeah, like a peanut, like the open the peanut.
Oh my god.
So this one is the clean. Ready for the
Roasting place. А, вот здесь сварят кофе.
Is it difficult?
Smell is good.
You want to do maybe take photo here? We're roasting here, we do 45 minutes until 1 hour for 1 kilogram coffee like this. And keep stirring until coffee becomes same color, dark brown, and good smell also. Like this one, you can smell for the aroma.
Okay, so here for the roasting process, we take around 45 minutes until 1 hour for the 1 kilogram coffee.
Yeah.
Until
Smells
It's
good.
good. Don't smell like food.
Yeah.
Because
want
they
to
want
try.
it from the cacao. The cacao coffee. And then we put the thing over here, we crush here and we can powder, we ground
you
it
want to do it for to take a picture maybe? I'm not a picture for you.
like this.
Be careful your head, yeah?
We ground it here, we do 20 until 30 minutes for 1 kilo until we get the powder. You want to do? Take photo?
Is it all coffee, yeah?
All coffee.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can do it.
Oh,
Be careful.
do you want to try?
No.
Yeah.
Thank you. And then the last process of final, we save it here, we filter.
Put it down.
This is the final, the powder coffee ready to making coffee later inside.
And then you grind it.
For the bag like this, we put back and then later we put here, we crush again.
Thank you. Interesting.
You want to drink coffee now?
Do you want to drink?
Yeah.
I am not.
Yes, please. Put a drink inside. The drink coffee, later we can order
I want to try.
over here in our
Okay.
cafe.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Mau tangkap 2 orang, jangan modal 1-2 polisi.
We can try coffee here.
Sure. Which one coffee? Maybe you can choose here. Also, we have the table over there. Later, we can have this. We have special luwak coffee from the animal. Also, we have the Bali coffee and tea with different flavors. If you wanna get the luwak coffee for 1 cup like this, we charge 118,000 rupiah, and for the Bali coffee, 59,000.
Ты понял? Yeah, we ordered coffee.
Okay, you let's sit here.
I don't know. But first I wanna check this. Excuse me, I need to take off this
You
shoes.
can remove your slipper. You can use it the black shoe.
I need change. А, здесь невысоко, я думал, будет выше. Та-ра-ра-та-ти. Крепко. Мягкие тапочки, прикольно.
Sorry guys, how many cups do you like to try the luwak coffee?
We ordered there.
You already?
Yeah.
So 1 or 2?
One.
1 luwak coffee.